frozen hibiscus margaritas. So I love hibiscus tea, and who doesn't love a margarita? Today we're putting them all together in the blender. And I'll make sure to link to the video I did on hibiscus tea and its amazing benefits down in the description. But today we are thinking outside the teacup, and I made hibiscus tea ice cubes as the base of this hibiscus margarita. So let's get started. Ingredients today, I'm gonna be using mezcal, triple sec, a little OJ from Meyer, because I'm a Michigan girl. And I did squeeze some lime juice. Here we go. Into the blender. All right, this recipe is for 2 margaritas, dose margaritas, if you will, because the only thing better than 1 margarita is 2 margaritas. All right, let's get these bad boys in the blender. I really like the idea of using, instead of just regular ice, bringing hibiscus tea into the mix. If I'm gonna use if I need something frozen, it may as well be something with flavor. So today, hibiscus tea. All right, time for mezcal, baby. We're going to do, that, you know, opa. Let's do 2 parts mezcal and a little for the table. If I'm not making a mess, I don't know what I'm doing. Mezcal away. Now I smell like mezcal. Yeah. Now for our orange liqueur, Cointreau would be lovely, but we are balling on a budget, so we're going with triple sec, the $5.99 edition. I did 2 parts tequila. I'm gonna do 1 part triple sec. And for my lime juice, let's see what we've got here. 1 part and the rest. Boop. There we go. There's usually some kind of sweetener in a classic margarita, whether it's agave syrup or sugar or simple syrup. For my sweetener, I'm going to use orange juice because orange and hibiscus go beautifully together and it's just tasty in a beverage. And I'm shooting for 16 ounces of cocktail here. So we're going to just top with some OJ. This is so fun. I was a bartender in a past life, so when I get to sort of have the 2 worlds collide, bartending and herbalism, this is my jam. After fighting with the blender, we have assembled appropriately. Now we blend. It's still a little thin, so I added some more hibiscus ice cubes. We'll give it another blend. We have a frozen margarita. Let's prep our glasses. The classic presentation for a margarita is, of course, the margarita glass with the wide brim, so you can get more salt on it. So I'm kicking it up a notch with some lime-infused salt, which is amazing. Got little dishes here that I'm gonna roll the rim through. All right. Some people like sugar on the rim of their margarita, and this is, you know, not exactly a traditional marg, so we are going to do an orange infused sugar. So delicious, and we have a video coming out on how to make your own infused sugar and salt. I have some lime wedges here, and kind of the hack, if you will, when you prep a lime wedge. I quartered these limes, they're pretty small, and then I just cut a slice right through the middle. So it's easier, it's easier to get around the rim of the glass. So we really want to get the juice on the edge of that glass. All right, there we go, juice the edge. Now I'm just gonna roll this through my flavored salts. So there we go, we have our salted rim. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the sugar. All right, we have a sugared rim. We pour. Dos margaritas. Gorgeous. We have 2 margaritas, and today we have a special guest taster. I summon the Sasquatch. I have summoned the Sasquatch. This is Chris, my trophy Sasquatch / husband. So what do you want to try first? Do you want to try salt or sugar?
Salt.
Take a drink.
Cheers.
Hey. In the beard, for sure. A little beer delicious there. What do you think?
I like that, the salt in contradiction with the hibiscus.
Right. Yeah, hibiscus brings the tart to the party, which is, you know, common for a margarita.
The mezcal's a nice touch with that smoky ending. I like that.
I gotta have a little salted margarita too. I got a lot of ice chunks in mine. Delish. I love it. It could almost be a little sweeter for me.
Mm-hmm.
But what else? Give the orange one a try. Mustache must drink as well. Did you get chunkies?
Mm-hmm. It helps with the sweetness. They're both delicious.
They are. I think I like the salt better.
I agree.
Yeah.
The salt with it maybe being a little sweeter.
Salt and a little sweetener.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So this drink you make for you. If you want to add a little honey or agave syrup, delicious. So, cheers to you. Cheers to Hibiscus Margaritas.
It's cool.
See you soon.